Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily hide Marketplace from Facebook application or how you can easily remove Marketplace from Facebook application. That's quite simple, interesting and easy. So let's get started without wasting a single second. So guys, first of all, in order to remove Marketplace from Facebook application, you'll have to open up the Facebook app and then tap on three lines on the bottom right. Now once you're on this page, tap on the gear icon on the top right corner to head over to the settings and then scroll down a bit and you'll find an option of navigation bar. Just tap on it and then tap on navigation bar, customize navigation bar. And once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on auto next to marketplace and turn it to hide. Now you'll be able to see that there is no marketplace in the Facebook app, so your marketplace will be successfully removed. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.